So I'm gonna do a little test today. I've got this little brass, it's a doorway, whatever you call a door holder, little brass pig figurine thing. And I've heard you can clean these things up, or you can clean brass up with Coca-Cola. So we're gonna give it a try here. I said, heck, I might as well make a video about this to see if it works. So we're just gonna fill this bowl here with this little piggy in here with some of this Coca-Cola. You know, I've tried, using Brasso and stuff like that, and that stuff works great. It just takes so long. So we're gonna try this. I'm gonna put just 2 liters of Coca-Cola in here. Hopefully it doesn't overflow. And we'll let this sit here for a few hours while I go back to work. And I'm just curious to see the results that it has, okay? So yeah, that's good. So we'll do that, we'll seal this up, I'll go back to work and we'll check in a few hours. In here for a few hours. Let's check and see. All right, of course this part was sticking out of the water. See there? Not a whole lot of difference, but you can definitely tell some. Yep. So I'm gonna just let it go for a while longer and we'll check it again probably in the morning. So I've had the brass pig soaking in the Coca-Cola for about 48 hours now. I checked it a few hours, after I got back from work, and I couldn't really tell any difference. I've been flipping every 12 hours or so, kind of want to think about it. But let's just check it. I think it's probably done all it's going to do now. Okay. There, it looks nicer. Hold on. Pick it up out of here, y'all. All right, so that's what it looks like now. I'll take a picture of it for you guys after I wash it off, and just so you can see how much difference you can tell. So there it is. I'm gonna let y'all be the judge of whether or not you think it cleaned up much. And yeah, so does Coke clean brass? There you have it.